without matra is there means when we are writing in that plural form, there we can see that eki matra and we have to keep the dot. See, they given bus, baseं, bus, baseं, nazar, nazareं, सड़क, सड़कें, औरत, औरतें, गेंद, गेंदें. Last any matra is there? No. So that's why in this, while you are writing, you have to follow the rule. We have to keep at last letter eki matra, and after that we have to keep bindu also. Now we will write a bus, baseं, over. The another one is sadak, sadak. Sadak, what is the answer? What is the answer? Sadakeं. What is the answer? Sadakeं. What is the answer? Sadakeं. 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 Sadak, sadakeं. Sadak, sadakeं. Sadak, sadakeं. The next one is औरत, औरत, औरतें, 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 औरत, औरतें. The next Roman you see this side, gha, nya, cha. It is easy only. Aki matra there means, what is the rule we have to follow? We have to remove the aki matra and we have to keep a eki matra. For example, ladaka. Aki matra ka is there. You have to remove aki matra and you have to write a eki matra. Ladake. Ladaka, ladake. Ladaka, ladake. Some more example. Kappada, kappade. Ghunsala, ghunsale. First one what is given? Ladaka, ladake. Ladaka, ladake. Only eki matra we have to write. Only we have to write a eki matra. We have to remove aki matra. The next one is घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले. Bindu we should not write. घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले, घोंसला, घोंसले. The last one is केला, केले, 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 केला, केले. So your activity is you have to prepare यातायात के साधन. On one paper you have to draw, or otherwise you can paste the pictures of transport from villages, and another one is from cities. Both are also you have to prepare, and the last date is to submit that project. What is the last date today? Monday? No, next Monday I am giving. Means 1 week time I am giving. You have to complete and you have to submit. Okay. And the next page we can go through that. What is the next page? 15. Here also we can see Here also we can see वचन बदलना, एक और अनेक. But here what is that? Example, ई की मात्रा there. But in previous we saw that without matra and with a की matra. Now here the last word if you observe means बड़ी ई की matra is there. See, बिजली, रेलगाड़ी, डा की ई की मात्रा, गली, ला की ई की मात्रा, लड़की, ई की मात्रा, कुर्सी, ई की मात्रा, तितली, ई की मात्रा, नारी, ई की मात्रा, कहानी, ई की मात्रा, नाश्त. So here I am telling the rule, but remaining you have to write. Only one I will say, and the remaining you have to do as a homework. Okay? Yes. What is the rule we have to follow? In first standard also you learn. What is the rule? Badi ki matra there means we have to change to choti ki matra, and we have to write ya ki a ki matra, and upar chandra bindu. And upar chandra bindu. So what is the first one he given? बिजली, बिजलियाँ, रेलगाड़ी, रेलगाड़ियाँ, 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 रेलगाड़ी, रेलगाड़ियाँ, रेलगाड़ी, रेलगाड़ियाँ. You have to write the remaining words. गली, गलियाँ, गली, गलियाँ, लड़की, लड़कियाँ, लड़की, लड़कियाँ, कुर्सी, कुर्सियाँ. These are all words are having बड़ी की मात्रा at last. So you have to change it into छोटी की मात्रा, and after that you have to write या की आ की मात्रा ऊपर चंद्र बिंदु. The next one also you can see. You can do it very well. Why? Because you are habituated to write the practice book. I know very well. See here, some words they given. These are all verbs only. See, I am saying the meaning. Pad, to read. Padho, padte. Lik, to write. Likho, likhte. Kar, karo, karte. Kaat, kato, katte. Sun, सुनो, सुनते. भाग, भागो, भागते. हंस, हंसो, हंसते. So you have to write in these two Romans in your Bhasha Abhyas, and you have to submit immediately after seeing this one. Shall we go for next page? Yes, we will go to next page. Before going to next page, I will write how to write here also. Okay? See, I took a hus, not bhag, bhag. What is the first word we have to write? Bhago. What we have to write? Bhago, bhago. What we have to write? Bhago. And the next one what? The next one what? Bhagte, bhagte. Here, where we can write means bhagte when you are talking with any respectable person or in the sentence which is plural, there we can use bhagte. Where we can use the bhago? O ki matra there means if you are giving any order in that time we can give bhago. Bhago we can use. Okay. Now you see here bhag, bhago, bhagte. Bhago, bhagte. Bhago, bhagte. Okay. So the remaining you have to complete in your own, not by seeing the verb you have to write. Okay. Now we will go to the next page. Page number 16. 16. Page number 16 we have to write. See first one, again they are asking that ekvachan, bahuvachan. You have to identify what is singular, what is plural. Ekvachan means only one boy. That is singular. Bahuvachan means boys. So many are there. Plural. More than one, it is plural only. See here, when it is the sentence, only one person is there, we have to use at last hai. Without bindu. Matra bindu nahi hona chahiye. While you are speaking also see hai, hai. Hai, hai. Hai where we will use? When the subject is only one person, means ekvachan. Hai par bindu, bahuvachan. Bahuvachan. If it is bahuvachan, then we will use that hai par bindu. See the sentences. The first one is, what is the first one? Mala chali gayi hai. Mala, how many members? Only one number. Then what we have to write? Only hai, without a dot. Okay? Only hai, without a dot. And the next one is, what is the next one? Bacche, bacche. How many members are there? So many members are there. Then what we have to use? Bindu or without bindu? Yes, with bindu we have to use. Why? Because bacche, plural it is there. Bacche, plural it is there. So we have to use a hyper bindu. Hyper bindu. Hyper bindu we have to use. हैं, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. Okay? Shall we go for third one? Shall we go for third one? Yes. Sabhi काम करते. One more chance also we can observe. Why? Because if एक ही मात्रा is there means that is plural. Just now in previous Roman we discussed, no? So many members are there means we can use. So here करते हैं, hai पर बिंदु, hai पर बिंदु. करते हैं, करते हैं, करते हैं, करते हैं, hai पर बिंदु होना चाहिए. And the next one is नाली. नाली means what? Canal. नाली, canal. नाली बहुवचन क्या होता है? नालियाँ. बड़ी की मात्रा there no. But here only one canal is there. We have to use a hai. Only hai. Without a bindu we have to use. HA है. हा की आई की मात्रा है. The last one is आम पक गए हैं. आम पक गए हैं. Here एक ही मात्रा. Are you observing? Actually आम एकवचन बहुवचन. पिता पिता, बालक बालक, फल फूल. For this ekvachan bahuvachan same to same, you will get easily marks also, because spelling mistakes also won't come. Am. But in the first Roman what we say? Previous Roman, if any matra is not there means we have to write एक ही मात्रा and bindu. But some are exception cases. अपवाद कहते हैं. What is that exception? If those are all belongs to masculine gender, pullinga shabd, as it is we have to write. That's right. Pita pita, malik malik, naukar, am, fal, like this we are using. So here also ama pullinga shabda, so bahuvachan also same to same, we should not change. But here pak gaye, ye come means what I said? Compulsory we have to use plural form only. So hai पर बिंदु भी होना चाहिए. hai पर बिंदु भी होना चाहिए. Okay ना? Understood? Now the next Roman is शब्द सीढ़ी को दिए गए वर्णों से पूरा कीजिए. There only they given the clues. See, ma, ta, ga, tha. See, first one is ra. Rath, chariot, mane radhamu in Telugu we can say. Rath. What is the first word? Rath. Meaning also we will get saath. Rath. Okay. Rath. Sat. Horizontal and vertical also it was correct only. The next one is Sat. Sat means 7. Bath means word, and food also will come. Okay. Next one is bath. The next one is bath. The next one is bath sat. Bath sat. Bath sat. Bath sat. The next one is bath sat. The next one is ga. Bag ag. Bag means what? Garden. Mahapran ga is there means bag, tiger. Alpapran bag. Alpapran ga, that is bag. Bag, that is garden. Bag bagicha. It is there no? Bag bagicha. That only bag means garden. We can say. Bag means garden. We can say. Bag, garden. Bag, garden. Mahapran ga there means tiger. Mahapran ga there means tiger. The last one is remaining ma. Ma. Am, mango. Neem. Neem, this is also tree. Neem tree. Am. Neem. Am. Neem. Am. Neem. Am. Neem. Am. Neem. All are registered. Now you see that the next Roman is सही शब्द चुनकर खाली जगह भरिए. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली जगह भरिए. In this you have to write लिंग बदलना, genders. लिंग बदलना, माली, माली और मालिन. See that in that clue box they given. माली, मालिन. माली, मालिन. माली और मालिन दोनों बगीचे में काम कर रहे हैं. The gardener's wife also doing the job in the garden. Here the next one is वह औरत. औरत. What it is here? आदमी. औरत, आदमी. औरत, आदमी. औरत, आदमी. औरत, आदमी. The next one is वह औरत और आदमी चोरी करके भाग गए. They are running. मेरी कक्षा को डैश और तेरी कक्षा को अध्यापिका पढ़ाती हैं. अध्यापिका, अध्यापक. अध्यापिका, अध्यापक. अध्यापिका, अध्यापक. धोबी कपड़े धोता है और धोबी धोबिन. धोबी धोबिन उन्हें सूखने डालती हैं. सूखना मीन्स टू मेक इट ड्राई. हमारे घर में मोटा चूहा और एक छोटी चूहिया. एक छोटी चूहिया. सो आई सेड हियर ऑल आर माली, मालिन, चूहा, चूहिया, धोबी, धोबिन, अध्यापिका, अध्यापक, आदमी, औरत. In these 3 Romans I did not fill up. You have to fill up that Romans and you have to submit the homework. Okay, we will meet in the next class.